Get in here, get in here, get in here. I'm Lacey E, aka Natural Lacey E, and today we are reviewing Melanin Hair Care by our very own Natural 85. But before I tell you how these products acted in my hair, I need y'all to like, subscribe, turn on that post notifications, and share this video with your friends and family. But I need y'all to listen to your mamas, because I know your mamas told you sharing is caring. To wash my hair, I use the African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. I actually pre-pool with the leave-in conditioner, and then I use this as a leave-in conditioner. And then to twist my hair, I use the Twisting-Elongating Styling Cream. Each product is $20 that you can either buy from Ulta or you can buy from the Melanin Hair Care line.com website. I personally just went inside Ulta and got it because I know a lot of people are complaining about the $10 shipping. I mean, I don't mind paying $10 for a good product, but I can see where the issue comes in because you don't know if the product is good or you don't know if your hair is going to like it. So I see everyone's, issue with the $10 shipping. I know I am so late on this review, but y'all know how hard it was to get your hands on this. If you haven't tried it already, you gonna find out for yourself. Sis, it is so hard to get. I mean, I had to drive from one Ulta, because they didn't have it, to another Ulta on the other side of town. And I'm like, hey, can you put this on hold for me? And then while I was there, I was like, let me get two.
Oh my goodness.
Because I'm hearing that this product is just so bomb. Let me get two, because if I like it and my hair likes it, I'm gonna be pissed that I can't find it nowhere else. So I got me two. So $20 each. I mean, it kind of went up there. I got the black soap, I got two of the leave-in conditioners, and I got the twisting cream. So you do the math. As far as the smell of these products, the leave-in conditioner smells like winter fresh gum. The African Black Soap Shampoo, it had more of an earthy smell, and I actually preferred that smell over the leave-in, which is weird, I know, but I just like that earthy smell because I feel like it's doing something when it has that smell. In my video, you're gonna see my natural skin without any makeup, without anything on it but some moisturizer. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it made me feel some type of way. I'm like, oh my God. I mean, I have never seen my skin up close like that. So it was an eye-opening experience for me. And I was like, let me go to Sephora and see what they can help me with, because I got some high pigmentation, some dark spots, I got a lot going on my skin. And right now where I'm at, we're not allowed to get facials. We're not allowed to get massages. So I have not treated my skin, and I need to do better because I'm getting up there in age, and I need to come up with a regimen that is going to be conducive to making my pores smaller. I need something to get rid of these dark marks on my skin, and I'm starting to get a little blackening around my eyes. If you guys are experiencing these same things, comment down below what you guys are using to help combat those issues, because I am lost. Like, I didn't know my skin was that bad. So I went to Sephora and I picked up Peter Thomas Roth. Is that his last name? Let's see. Yes, Roth. This was about $88. So the sales lady that was helping me, or ambassador, I think that's what was on her name tag. She was an ambassador, a Sephora ambassador. She told me she uses this, and she kind of opened her mask a little bit and showed me like where her dark marks are going away. So I am hoping that this product is able to alleviate some of my dark marks. So I have like one right here, and I have one on my nose, and of course I have, some darkening right here, because growing up I had a lot of acne and I never listened. I used to just pick my face. Why we don't listen to our parents, I don't know, but now I'm paying the price with this $88 what would we say, this is a brightening complex. And then another thing I got is the way the lady explained it to me, it's like a you put it on your face dry, and then I guess it just takes a coat of your skin or face like off, and you will see it coming off. So it's like a scrub. It says eczema scrub. So hopefully it's not the product coming off and I'm thinking it's clearing my skin, but she said you will feel that your skin is like very soft, and so the product actually does work. So I'm actually gonna try this tonight when I wash my face, because I was out and about doing a little shopping. Got some great sales. I'm excited about that. But let me know below if you guys want me to do a review on both of these. I can actually show you guys what my skin looks like the dark marks, zoom in and show you guys where they're at and how long I'm using it, and to show you if they're fading away or not. So comment down below if you guys would like to see me do a review on these like after I've used it for a week or so, and check back in with you guys like every few days to see how it's been working. I'm back, y'all. I don't know what the issue is with the shampoo, but baby, that shampoo was life to me. I may have used more than what everyone else uses. As you can see, I'm about right there. I think everyone else barely puts a dent in it, but it made my scalp feel so good. Like I couldn't help myself. I just kept putting more and more in. And I'm like, oh, this is very moisturizing. Until I rinsed it out.
Oh, Lord!
So it did have a slight stripping feeling to it, but it wasn't like over the top. Like it wasn't anything to be like, oh my God, I will not repurchase this product. I would definitely repurchase the shampoo. It cleaned my scalp, it cleaned my hair, it made my scalp feel amazing. And I like the smell better than I like the leave-in. So I like it. I will rebuy it. I would recommend it. Yes, I know it's a clarifying shampoo. I don't feel like it was totally stripping like how some clarifying shampoos are, to where you just feel like your hair is gonna fall apart or fall out your head and break. But I did feel a little squeakiness. I did hear it, but it wasn't totally, it didn't strip it completely. And I don't know if it's because I used the leave-in conditioner as a pre-poo, but it was good to me. I'm gonna use it again. This will be my go-to product. But now that we talked about the shampoo, let me show you how my hair looks. My hair feels so soft. It smells good. It doesn't have any weird smell. I love it. So I'm gonna section my hair, and then I'm gonna apply the leave-in conditioner. So I'm applying that amount. And I'm just looking in my mirror, y'all. Ooh, baby, slip and slide. I mean, my hair was quite tangled. So I was able to lightly detangle in the shower with the shampoo, but it wasn't nothing major. But I mean, it's good. It has slip, but let me keep applying it, and then I'm gonna see if it's actually going to stay this way. I know sometimes when you put a product on your hair, you're like, ooh, this is nice. Well, your hair is still wet, so when the product didn't really go into your hair yet. And all I'm doing now is putting the leave-in, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave the leave-in in my hair overnight, and then I'm going to use the styling cream. So this is how much I'm using. I can see myself that I'm gonna be like halfway through this bottle, the leave-in, because I do think you need a nice amount to get the slip that everyone's talking about. I don't think it's just as soon as you put the product through your hair, you get that slip. But I have a lot of hair, and my hair sheds quite a lot. I do have an iron deficiency. I know they say that iron deficiency can contribute to a lot of hair loss, a lot of hair shedding rather. So I do take iron every night to help combat that, but I guess I won't see the results for a while. But I'm thinking about taking a hair vitamin. Comment below if you've taken a hair vitamin before, and then let me know what kind you used and what results have you seen. I've never taken one before, I'm just terrified of the results. I don't want to grow a mustache or anything like that, so.
Oh, hell no!
And don't be alarmed, because like I said, I do shed a lot of hair. I'm like a little puppy, but I'm working on that shedding. It'll get better over time, I know it will. Okay everyone, so I have applied all of the leave-in in all 4 sections, and on these top 2 sections, I was slapping that leave-in conditioner on to where my hair started to flake. And I was like, oh my God, I started to panic. So I just sprayed a little water, and that helped the product penetrate my strands better, because it was literally just balling up and was like, yeah sis, we ain't going into your strands. So I reapplied some water, rubbed it back in to help it get up in there. It's a little better now. Just know that if you're going to use this leave-in, yes, it makes your hair feel soft, but you don't need to use that much, and your hair does need to be, like the instructions said, it needs to be wet. So I was going to sleep with the leave-in, but I'm gonna be mad in the morning because my roots are gonna be puffed up. So I'm going to go in with the Long Lasting Definition Twist-Elongating Styling Cream. And a lot of people rave about this and buy 1, 2, 3 jars. I have never used it. I'm not going into this with any expectations, because I already know it's not going to give me a hard hold. It's not a gel. It doesn't say it's going to give you hold. So I'm just going to go in there and use this, hopefully for moisture, because I need moisture. My hair loves moisture. I need moisture. Let me just see if it has any of the ingredients that my hair loves, which it does have aloe vera juice. I'm excited about that. Mango butter, cocoa seed butter. Okay, well I guess I'll trade it off for that avocado oil. Is that avocado? Yes, avocado oil. My hair loves avocado oil. I put it in my own mixture of oils, and when I make my own shea butter moisture. So let's get right into it. Let me show you guys the texture. It's kind of like, it's creamy. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's creamy. I already got a hair in there. It's not, I mean, it's nothing different from any other cream. Here I go, applying too much, but let me get those ends. And all my friends want to know, how do I twist to get the definition? I twist tight at the root. And to get the nice definition, you just need to twist tight all the way down. And unfortunately, I don't have any detangling brushes by me right now. So I'm just gonna twist down, move the product down to get to the ends. I'm just gonna do that all the way to the end. I'm not gonna borrow. Ooh. Just gonna twist it around my finger. So I don't have that hair that curls up at the end too much. It does curl up a little bit, but I don't get those like curls. This is how much I've used. I thought I was gonna use half of it. I guess I didn't. I think what scared me was when it started to flake from putting too much in there. Would I buy the leave-in again? I would say yes, but I would more so use it for a leave-in. I didn't use it as a deep conditioner as I said I was, because on here it doesn't say anything about it being a deep conditioner. I know a lot of people are saying you could use it 7 different ways, but if you're going off of the instructions that the person that created this product wanted you to use it for, it doesn't say anything about deep conditioner. So unfortunately, today, after using a clarifying shampoo, I broke a natural hair rule by not deep conditioning. Yes, I know. But I'm going to wash my hair again within the next few days, and I am going to do a very intense moisturizing deep conditioner to combat not using one this time. So hopefully my hair will be fine and she forgives me. But I didn't use it as a deep conditioner, like I said, because on the bottle it doesn't say anything about deep conditioner. When I wake up in the morning, I'm going to show you guys the final results.
the next day.
I want to say I appreciate you guys for tuning in, for looking at my video. Please like, subscribe, and again, share this video. And comment below if you guys have used the Melanin Hair Care, or if you guys use the products that I am going to try out from Sephora. But until my next video, I'll see you guys next time.